Hello guys, welcome to Medycoding.com. In this lecture, we are going to study about the female urethra. The male urethra we have already seen, so let's get started. So, the female urethra, it is a short muscular tube that carry urine out of the body. Okay, we know that the urethra of the male or female both start within the bladder neck. That part is known as intramural. So, female urethra is 4 centimeters long. This is small as compared to the male urethra. So, the female urethra has only one function, is to convey urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. But for male urethra, it has function of urine removal as well as accessory organ for reproduction that we already discussed on previous lecture. I recommend you to watch anatomy videos serially. It will be easy to understand. Since the female urethra is very shorter as compared to male urethra, so the chances of getting infected by the bacteria is more high in the female. So for this reason, urinary tract infection are more common in female. Okay, now we'll see the part of the female urethra. So the female urethra is divided into 3 parts. The first is the intramural part, that is within the bladder. The second is the pelvic part, that is near the pelvic region. And the third is the perineal part. So we will discuss this one by one. So what is intramural part? So this is the part of female urethra that is going through bladder. So it is very short and it is located on the neck of the urinary bladder. The urinary sphincter is found in this region, and this is made of the smooth muscles. And we know that the function of this internal urethral sphincter is to control urine leakage. The next part of urethra is pelvic part. So this part of urethra is passing through the region of urogenital diaphragm. So in this figure you can see, so this area of the urethra is known as intramural urethra. And from this to this area of urethra is known as pelvic urethra. Okay, so in the pelvic part, so external urethral sphincter is found. And this is found on urogenital diaphragm. We have already discussed urogenital diaphragm on male urethra in detail, so must watch previous videos. So the next is the perineal part of the female urethra. So it is the last part of the urethra. So it lies within the vestibule of the vagina. So what is the location we will see in this figure? So this is the labia minor of female, okay? This is the fold of skin. So within this fold, the space inside the fold is known as vestibule of vagina. Okay, so this is the opening that is for the urethra. This is the clitoris, and this is vaginal orifice. We will see female reproductive organ in detail in upcoming lectures. Relation of urethra. Okay, so this is urethra. You can see this tube is urethra, and in the back, this is vagina. Okay, and in this area, there is a rectum. So this relation is important for surgery. Okay, this is pubic bone in front. So this is anterior wall of the vagina, and this is the posterior wall of the vagina. Okay, so these are the relations of the urethra with respect to surrounding organs. So thank you for watching. Please give your comment that which next anatomy video you want. If you are watching this video in YouTube, then must visit website medycoding.com, the best place to learn medical coding. Because in website, you will get more anatomy videos. The same topic video that you are watching now will be updated after some time with more clear explanation.